Good morning, students. Today we all are going to start with a new chapter, that is linear equations in one variable. I could not take your live class because of network problem. So what is an equation? It is a statement in which two expressions are equal. So whenever there is an equation, there is a equal to sign. Okay, always remember this. Okay, like 5x minus 7y equals to 3. So how many variables are there? 2, x and y. Similarly here, x square plus 3xy plus 5y square equals to 4. Again, how many variables are there? X and y. Two variables are there. So these are called equations in two variables. Now, what is a linear equation? An equation of the form ax plus b equals to 0, where a is not equal to 0, is called a linear equation in variable x. Now, what is solution or root? Any value of the variable. Okay, like here if I say x is the variable. So, any value of the variable which when substituted in an equation makes both sides equal is called solution or root of the equation. So, how to solve this equation? To solve this equation, there are certain rules. Okay, first is we can add the same number or expression to both sides of an equation. We can subtract the same number or expression from both sides of an equation. So we can add whatever we'll do on both the sides. Either we add it or subtract it. Okay, we can multiply both sides of an equation by the same non-zero number or expression. It should be non-zero. Okay, we can divide both sides of an equation by the same non-zero number or expression. A term may be transposed. Transposed means taking it from one side to the other side. When we transpose the number, what happens? That term sign changes. If it is positive, it becomes negative, and if it is negative, it becomes positive. Okay, so let us solve the equation, then you will be able to understand. Okay, so let us start with exercise 11.1. so let's see exercise 11.1. I will be there are two sums for each question. I will be doing the one sum for you. Next sum you will do for you on your own. Solve the following equations. So first one is 5 by 8x plus 2 equals to 3 by 4. Now solve the equation means what? We have to take out the value of x, this variable. So whenever we have to solve this type of equations, always remember children, we take same variables on one side and constants on the other side. That then it will be easier to solve. So here we have one variable, here there are two constants. So I will transpose this 2 to this side. So it is plus 2. When I will take this to the other side, it will become minus 2. So let us solve it. It is 5 by 8x plus 2 equals to 3 by 4. I am taking this to the right hand side. So it becomes 5 by 8x equals to 3 by 4 minus 2. That is, now we will take the LCM. Now when you take the LCM, it becomes 3 will remain as it is. 3 ones are 3 minus 2 into 4 divided by 4. So it becomes 5 by 8x equals to minus 3 minus 8 by 4. That is minus 5 by 4. Now what we will do, we will just cross multiply it. You all know this. We will cross multiply it. It becomes 5x into 4, 8 into minus 5. Just solve it. You will get it as x equals to minus 5 into 8 by 5 into 4. 5 will get cancelled. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So your answer is minus 2, because here we are getting minus. So x equals to minus 2. Now in the second question, I am doing the second part for you. First part is easy. So let's see. 3x minus 7 equals to 3 into 5 minus x. Now what do we find here? That variable is on both the sides. So I told you earlier also that I will be taking the same variables on one side and constants on the other side, or we will group them together. So it becomes 3x minus 7 equals to 3 5s are 15 minus 3x. Okay, so 3x, now I will take this to the other side. I will transpose it. So minus 3x when taken to the left hand side, it will become positive, isn't it? Plus 3x. So 3x plus 3x equals to 15. I will take this minus 7 to the right hand side. It will become positive because it was negative here. So 15 plus 7. So 6x equals to 22, or x equals to 22 by 7. Just cross multiply it. When you will solve it by 2, 2 11s are 2 3s are. So x equals to 11 by 3. Now let us do the third question. Third one, I am doing the first part for you. Second is also very easy. So just see, 4 into 2x plus 1 equals to 3 into x minus 1 plus 7. So first of all, we'll open the bracket. Then we will group the variables and constants together. Okay. So let us do that. 4 2s are 8. So I'm just opening the bracket, means I'm just expanding it. Okay. So 8x plus 4. 4 1s are 4 equals to 3 into x. 3x minus 3 1s are 3 plus 7. Or 8x plus 4. Now 3x minus 3 plus 7 is plus 4. Now I will take this variable to left hand side and this constant to right hand side. So 8x, when I take this to the left hand side, it is positive, so it will become negative. So 8x minus 3x equals to 4 minus 4, that is 0. So any number divided, whenever any number is on the numerator, if it is 0, then it will be 0 only. So x equals to 0. So 0 divided by any number is 0. Now fourth one, 5y minus 2 into y minus 3y minus 5 equals to 6. So first of all, we'll solve the bracket. You all know the Godness rule. So minus 2y, minus into minus is plus. 2 3s are 6 into y minus 5 equals to 6. So 5y minus 2y is 3y plus, now expand it, 6y minus 30 equals to 6. Now I will take the constant to the right hand side and I will solve this variable. So 6 plus 3 is 9y equals to 6 plus 30, that is 36. Okay. So y equals to 36 by 9, that is equal to 4, isn't it? So 9 4s are 36. So y equals to 4. In the same way, I am doing the second part for you also. So here it is in the form of decimal. So I'm solving this for you. 0.3 into 6 minus x equals to 0.4 into x plus 8. So just multiply 0.3 into 6 is 1.8. 6 3s are 18. So 1.8 minus 0.3x equals to 0.4x plus 8 4s are 32. So it is 3.2. We will take this x on one side and the constants on the other. So I'm taking 3.2 on the left hand side, it will become negative. So 1.8 minus 3.2 equals to 0.4x plus 0.3x. And when you subtract, it becomes minus, sorry, yes, so it will become minus 1.4. Okay. So when you will solve it, you will get it as minus 2. Okay. Now the next question, that is fifth one. Fifth also I am doing both the questions for you. Y plus 1 by 3 minus y minus 1 by 2 equals to 1 plus 2y by 3. So it is in the fraction form. So first of all, we will take, I told you that we will take all the variables. So we are finding that in all the three fractions variable is there. So I am taking y plus 1 by 3 minus, I am taking this to this side because the denominators are same. There is no hard and fast rule. You can do as you wish. But here I am finding convenient when I will take this to the left hand side. Okay. So it becomes negative. I will take this to the right hand side. It becomes positive. Now when the denominators are same, then the numerators will be simply subtracted. So y plus 1 minus 1 minus 2y by 3 equals to y minus 1 by 2. So 1 gets cancelled. Y minus 2y is minus y by 3 equals to y minus 1 by 2. Now just cross multiply. It will be minus 2y equals to 3y minus 3. Just multiply it. You will get it. And now I am taking this 3y on the left hand side. It becomes 2y minus 3y equals to minus 3. Minus 2 minus 3 becomes minus 5y equals to minus 3. Or y equals to 3 by 5. Okay. Similarly, you will do the next question also. P by 3 plus P by 4 equals to 55 minus P plus 40 by 5. So I will take this fraction to the left hand side and I will keep the constant on the right hand side. So P by 3 plus P by 4 plus P plus 40 by 5 equals to 55. Now what you will do, you will take the LCM of 3, 4 and 5. When you will take the LCM, you will get it as 60. Okay. I know you all know how to take out the LCM. So now 60, P into 3 into how much is 60? 20. Okay, plus P into 4 into how much is 60? 15, plus 5 into how much is 16? 12. So p plus 40 into 12 equals to 55. Just multiply it. 20p plus 15p plus 12p plus 480 equals to 55 into 60. When you will solve it, you will get it as 47p plus 480 equals to 60 into 55. Okay, just multiply it. You will get 47p plus 480 equals to 3300. Multiplication of 60 into 55. Then 47p equals to 3300 minus 480, or 47p equals to 2. When you must subtract, you will get it as 2820. A p equals to 2820 by 47. When you will solve it, you will get it as 60. So 47 6 are 282. So 60, you are getting p as equal to 60. So children, complete till question number 5. Thank you.